sister called my workers. They told her not to come. They told her, Peachy, I've sent you a voice note. Please give her product. You warned her. They warned her not to come to the store. That we're not open. She still came. She found me here. Peachy, tell Peachy that you came. Peachy, I came. I'm here now. I came. After warning her, tell her, don't come
Peachy,
to
I'm
my
here.
headquarters.
That's my friend to give me.
Give her her orders, Peachy. Can you hear me? Give her everything she paid for. Beg. Give her. Give her everything she paid for you. After warning her not to come, she still came. She came. Say what's up to everyone.
Hello world.
Don't come to the headquarters because we're sorting out.
Yeah.
It's closed, I swear. It's because she's lucky. She came and she found me. Don't come to the headquarters because
my blue eyes. My blue eyes. Bye.